Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today let's discuss about inner speech. So inner speech is consistent conversation that we have to ourselves whenever we try to speak about a specific topic. For example, it could be about money or relationship with some specific person, or it could be your job or career or business or anything. There is always an inner conversation that you have to yourself about this particular topic, and that is the real truth, that is happening to yourself, and that is why it becomes one of the biggest key to improve your law of attraction speed. So whatever you might be, for example, you're trying to do affirmations outside, you're trying to write it down, or you're trying to say it, or you're trying to speak positive about it to outside world, but if you're not able to change your inner speech, this manifestation will be very slow, or it may not even manifest, because the inner speech that you do to yourself is something that you actually believe in, and that is what is going to get into your subconscious mind, which will eventually come back as a physical manifestation in your outside world. Now let's do a small exercise quickly. You can take a paper and pen, and specifically a paper and pen, not on a, let's not do it on a notes or on your app or a phone or anything. Let's directly do it on a paper with a pen or pencil. Now take a topic. For example, you take a topic of money or a relationship with specific person or anything. Let's take a topic of money for example. Now you can write the topic as money, and you take a, in the next sentence write this: what is your outer belief system for money? So when I say this question, what is your outer belief system, what I mean is, when somebody tries to talk to you about topic called money, what is your general conversation about it? What kind of belief system that you try to give it? Do you say that, for example, it's not an easy thing, money is not really easy to earn, it's very difficult to earn? Is this the outer speech that you are having with the people? What kind of outer speech you are trying to do? Okay, what kind of outer belief that you are expressing it out? Okay, that is one thing that you need to talk about in that section. Second section will be, what is your inner speech? So whenever you're speaking outside a particular statement, somewhere the inner consciousness will tell you that either you're telling truth or not truth, whether you're speaking what you believe or not something that you believe in, right? Now try to write what is your inner speech about the same topic. What do you say to yourself actually? What do you believe in yourself about it? This is very important step for you to do it. So now compare both outer and inner. Are they matching? If they are not matching with each other, now you can do, you can check to yourself and confirm in the comments. Is it that inner speech that is actually manifesting every single time compared to what you're speaking outside? So whether it could be positive or negative, if both inner and outer are not matching, ideally you will see that many cases your inner speech is something that is getting manifested. Even if you go outside and say money is something that is really easy, I can actually earn it very easily, but inner speech is telling that money is something that I need to work hard to earn, then you will end up actually working hard, but you may not know it, because subconsciously you believe in working hard, and you are working hard and you think that it is normal, something like that. So now it is very important for you to understand what is your inner speech about a specific topic, and you need to understand that whether it is actually matching with your outer conversation, outer belief system that you are trying to show. Only then your affirmations will work. Now let's consider that you are able to figure out all these things. What is your inner conversation about a specific topic, and you know that this particular desire of yours is not really manifesting, or it is not matching with what you want. The second step, very important step towards the success, is trying to find out what you aim for. you know you need to decide what you aim. For example, you think of money. What is your aim with respect to money? Identify that aim, write a conversation in such a way that you are actually aiming this, and make that as your inner speech. If you want to earn $1 million, that should be your inner speech. If you are going to earn, if you want to earn $1 million, what are you So what is the aim of earning? It's not just earn and keep somewhere, right? What do you want to do with that $1 million is the point. Just make sure that you know what you want to do. You have a clear cut, very detailed aim that you have, a goal that you have. What exactly is the output that you're going to do with this $1 million? Doesn't matter how you're going to earn. And just have that conversation with yourself consistently, wherever you are and whatever you do. Just aim. It's simple step, and the key step to change your belief system. Open, you know just open a book or paper. Just write down your aim very clearly about this particular topic that you're looking for desire. You're looking for fulfillment, or you want it to manifest. Okay, write a clear cut aim. What is that you want to achieve? With this $1 million, I want to buy a house, buy a car, and live a happy life, something like that. Or you want to manifest a big business across the country or across the globe. Just you just imagine how many branches you are opening it, and how much revenue you are making out of it, and how much service you are offering to the public. In this way, you come out to the end product as your aim, and make a conversation to yourself. How do you speak to yourself? So you need to make a conversation to yourself that you believe in this, and let your inner speech flow in the ease of by itself. Then your subconscious mind is already believing in it. And make sure that whenever you speak to outer world, you speak in the similar lines. That shows your confidence, that shows your willingness towards your aim, and how confident you are in achieving this goal. Practice this, try this, and let me know if you're able to manifest. And I always say to everybody, and I even say now, start something with a very small thing. Start with a small thing. Reason why I say start with a small thing is because you don't have to stress your subconscious mind about believing in it, or adding emotions to it and getting it confused and a lot of these things. Start with something small. As you build the confidence, you can go for a bigger manifestations in your life. And only confidence that you build by yourself is going to enhance the speed of your manifestation. So I wish you a very good luck. Do this trial and let me know how it works. Thank you for watching the video, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.